Guys, now you are seeing that how to write a simple Java program in Netbeans Workspace. Let us see here. This is Netbeans Workspace. First you have to go to File, New Project. If you want to go with Java, then Java. If you want to go with HTML or something else, go with Java Web. Let us see Java. Then give the name of the project here, sample project. Then click on finish. Here you will see that sample project. This is the project name and this is the packages. This is the class name, sample underscore project. This is the class. See here. Even main method also is there in this class. If you don't know about this, this is public class sample project. This is the name of the class and this is the main method. This class contain only one method. For example, if you want to print anything here, just write system.out.println. ln is for next line. If you want to print in the same line, use only print. Then give you whatever you want to print. Let us see this. Then click on, just right click on screen, run file. Here project is running. See this, Sukumar. Here successfully executing your program. Thank you guys. Let us see another video in next.